Ever felt like you're speaking 10 different brand languages at once? When your messaging framework clashes with your visual hierarchy and your audit trail looks like a tangled mess? We've all been there. The Brand Strategy Pack cuts through the noise with precision tools, battle tested positioning matrices, tone of voice taxonomies, responsive color palette systems, and compliance audit workflows. For brand managers drowning in Figma files, marketing directors juggling stakeholder chaos, and growth leads chasing inconsistent KPIs, this is your lifeline. Stop building castles in the sand. Let's construct something that lasts. Here's what's inside the Brand Strategy Pack: positioning strategy with value proposition canvases, messaging architecture featuring voice and tone blueprints, visual identity systems with adaptive grid frameworks, compliance audit checklists with ISO aligned verification steps. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your brand's new operating system. Installing the Brand Strategy Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add brand-strategy-pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: strategy modules, messaging engines, visual governance protocols. No more hunting for assets. Your next Claude code session auto-loads the frameworks, and your AI assistant gains brand superpowers: tone calibration, guideline enforcement, audit automation. Ready to stop reinventing the wheel? Let's make your brand unforgettable.